So, anyway, nag-white ako today. Kaya, kailangan ko ng lip tint and blush. Kasi magmumukha akong maputla. Alam na. Hi! So, ewan ko, happy ako. Kasi there are things that are going my way. And I'm so grateful. Wala lang.
So to break the fast, coffee and saging lang muna. And then after that, kumain tayo ng Malay food. So ito, ayan, papakute para mayroon akong video later. Unti-unti na ako nagiging comfortable sa pants. And I'm grateful na okay naman, bagay naman sa akin. And di ko akalain na magpa-pants ako ever ulit. Kala ko forever dresses ako. But I didn't realize I'd switch to comfort when I'm trying to rebuild myself.
Hi! Pauwi na po tayo. Medyo busy tayo today. Dami ko talagang ginawa, be. Parang this is the most productive day since nag-start ako. Di naman. Diba ibang araw din? Pero this one, I mean administratively. So, happy naman ako pag productive. Alam niyo na. Ibig sabihin, papayaman. And excited ako. Alam niyo ba, this Sunday nanonood ako ng SB19 concert.
And yes, because it's another day, another comfortable na pananamit na naman. And this is me breaking my fast with coffee and yung banana kong nasa ref, kaya ganyan yung kulay. O, diba? And then kumain na ako ng lunch. So, ganun pa rin yung lunch ko. Ewan ko, sarap na sarap ako sa Malay food na to. Yung beef lang yung favorite ko. Kasi, ewan ko, ang sarap, ang chewy. And lately nga, I've been craving for rice. So, ayan. So, diba, wala na ako masyadong elevator selfie. So, ito na.
Chika ko lang. Napansin nyo nowadays na parang yung comfortable lagi ang suot ko. Kasi, yun yung peg ko ngayon. Yung komportable. Hindi ako mahihirapan. So, anyway, ang peg ko nga ay comfortable. So, nagtatry akong maghanap ng mga tops wherein hindi ko na kailangan magbara. Kasi, yun yung comfortable for me. Yung walang straps na masakit, nagumuguhit, na parang umuukit na kasi bigat na siya. So, yung mga ganito, though, kahit bakit yung utang, parang wala lang pakialam kasi I am thinking about my comfort. Kaya nga ako may cardigan. Tapos, yung pants, ngayon ko lang na-enjoy ulit mag-pants kasi kahit na hindi siya talaga too much of a baggy pants, pero I feel so comfortable with it. And syempre, ang aking sneakerina from Vivea. Ewan ko anong basa. But, ayun nga, right now that I am building my empire, syempre, kailangan kong mag-focus muna on things that matter. So, ayan, bumili ako ng buong wardrobe. Change wardrobe na naman ako. So, papamigay ko yung mga dati kong damit. And, this time, comfort lang. Parang yung wala kang paralysis sa pagde-decide ng kung ano susuotin ko ngayon. Parang ganon. Because, basta komportable ako, I'm ready if I need to be on the go. Parang ganon, diba?
So, ayan, nagpe-prepare na akong umalis. And, nagutom ako, kaya kumain ako ng fries, ice cream, kasi I feel like rewarding myself, tsaka spicy chicken. Siyempre, alam ko na miss niyo yung kanta ko, kaya eto.
Day 11, baby. We're still fasting. We're still big. And guess what? We're still fabulous. Because we're the big girls, big boobs, big ass, big lives! Yeah! Huh. Nagda-diet kami ni Sig, 20 is the 4 ang peg. Day 11 na kami, tuloy-tuloy ang leg. Sa una mahirap, nagugutom talaga. Pero big girls don't quit. Kaya window shifting lang, adjust kung adjust. Disiplina with laughter, walang disgust. And kahit minsan may cravings na matindi, the point is we're stronger and we're doing this for we. This is not a failure, this is me on track. Big girl body, but I got my power back. It's not just the fasting, it's the life I reclaim. Eating solo with pride, I'm winning this game. We're still big, we're still loud, we're the big girls crowd. Road, minsan nanay, minsan 12 p.m. magsimula. Pero bukas 5 p.m. kaya ko pa. Dahil 11 pa lang, di pa halata. Pero big girl slaying, and that's the real cha-cha. Nag-fries ako, spicy chicken on the side. Pero hindi fail, kasi honest with pride. Cravings don't cancel the strength we show. Big boobs, big ass, big girls still glow. This is not a failure, this is me on track. Big girl body, but I got my power back. It's not just the fasting, it's the life I play. Eating solo with pride, I'm winning this game. Big girls, big love, big life. Since hit 21 after my divorce, first time ko kumain ni mag-isa. At first, awkward, at first, mahirap. Pero habang kumakain ako, I realized I'm not lonely, I'm free. Big girl table, solo meal, but queen energy. From heartbreak lows to fasting days, from quiet tears to louder praise. Big put in, but no shame inside, because big girls slay with power and pride. So we can eat anything as long as we last 20 hours strong before we break the fast. It's not about perfect, it's not about small, it's about discipline and answering the call. As long as we hit the 20 hours, fries, chicken, rice, cake, bring it on. This is freedom, not punishment. Sisig gabi lagi, ako sa umaga, pero sabay naming binabantayan ang gana. We laugh through hunger, we dance through pain. Day 11 strong, and we'll do it again. Kaya ba? Kaya ga? Kaya yan. Big button, big button, big girls. This is not a failure, this is me on track. Big girl body, but I got my power back. It's not just the fasting, it's the life I reclaim. Eating solo with pride, I'm winning this game. Big boobs, big ass, big girls, badass. Sa una mahirap pero kinakaya.
big red.